go. Peach snuff. So you want to stop it, just push the button right there. Hold your finger on it, and you're done. Watch this. I'll show you some of my bar work. I'll set up a tripod for the camera. Sit the broken iPhone down right here. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do both bottles. Margaritas, man! Make some margaritas, man! Now you can see what I'm doing. Now, let's take 2 bottles. Obviously, this is not hookah. It's gonna be way too stronger. This will be hookah. What you do is you take a bar spoon, like this. You can get these off Amazon or go to awesomedrinks.com. Get you a bar spoon, give it a quick stir. We'll take this pitcher right here and we'll fill her up the rest of the way, making some iced tea. Going to get high dogged. Click the like button because it helps me out a lot, because this is my job. I just did the Jaeger Monster a couple minutes ago. That was pretty good. Good kind. She only eats canned food. She only eats canned food. Smokey Obama only eats canned food. Sorry, the maid took off this week. I'm at the vacation house. I told the YouTube family I'd be gone for a couple of days. It's Wednesday morning. So that's done. Okay. You got the crazy Obama guy. You got B.I.G. nigger Mike Whitehair back with you again. Just take your bar spoon again one last time. Give it a stir. If you want to, you can put liquor in your tea. I made some with Clear. It was pretty good. Everclear. You can get Everclear at your local merchant that sells Lick Hill. Yeah. I gotta go. See you later, folks. Bye.